Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mom's Magic Meals. Today we are going to cook hot and spicy dragon rice with wok. So let's see what ingredients do we need. I took 2 cups of raw rice and boiled it only 75%. Add salt and oil while cooking. Half cup of chopped French beans. Half cup of chopped green capsicum. 2 cups of chopped cabbage. 2 tablespoons Szechuan sauce. 1 red chili, finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, salt to taste. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok. After the oil heats up, add the French beans and saute it well. Saute it on a high flame for 2 minutes. After it is cooked, add the green capsicum and again saute it for a minute. Now add the chopped cabbage and saute it well. Add salt to taste and mix it well. Do not overcook it. Now add the red chili powder, the Szechuan sauce, and the chili sauce. And mix it well. Now add the cooked rice and mix it properly. Mix it gently so that the rice does not break. Here the dragon rice is ready. Remove it in a bowl. Here the dragon rice is ready. Remove it in a bowl. Now we will cook the wok. So let's see what ingredients do we need. This is tomato puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes, roughly chopped cabbage and French beans for the vegetable stock, 1 cup of diced bell peppers, 1 cup of chopped and boiled baby corn, half cup of diced cabbage, Half cup of diced zucchini, 1 cup blanched broccoli, 2 tablespoons Szechuan sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce and 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup. Add the chopped cabbage and French beans in 2 to 3 cups of water and give it a boil. Here, the vegetable stock is ready. The water has already been boiled. Strain the water and keep the water aside. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok. After the oil heats up, add the chopped bell peppers. Here, the dragon rice is ready. Chopped cabbage. Remove it in a bowl. And the chopped zucchini and saute it well. Saute it on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook them. Now add the boiled baby corn, the blanched broccoli, and saute it well. Now add the tomato puree, Szechuan sauce, tomato ketchup, red chili sauce, red chili powder, sugar and salt to taste, and mix it well. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Here the vegetables have been cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the vegetable stock and give it a boil. See how colorful it looks. After it boils, add a little water to the corn flour and mix it well. No lump should remain. Slowly add it to the veggies and give it a boil. Here the wok is ready. Here the hot and spicy dragon rice and wok is ready. Garnish it with the red chili and coriander leaves. Friends, did you enjoy cooking with me? Remember to like, share and subscribe my channel Mom's Magic Me.